How to fix Fall Guys freezing on Windows PC 1. Lower in-game settings. See the full list of recommended options below. Preset, Custom. Resolution, 1920 x 1080 60 Hz. Windowed, off. VSync, off. Texture detail, half res shadows detail, low. Motion blur, off. Bloom, off. Depth of field, off. Ambient occlusion, none. Anti-aliasing, none. Anisotropic filtering, off. Screen space reflections, none. 2. Disable Steam overlay. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify your game files in Steam Launcher. 5. Stop overclocking your hardware. 6. Disable your peripherals. 7. Check if it was a server problem.